Have you ever seen a toddler grab a mop with the determination of someone cleaning before a surprise visit from the in-laws? Have you ever watched a 3-year-old spray water like they're controlling the weather system inside your living room? And here's the biggest mystery of parenting in 2025. Why do toddlers clean with more confidence, passion, and energy than fully grown adults who avoid cleaning like it's a tax audit? Today we're diving into the ultimate parent question, which is better for your toddler, the blue or pink pretend spray mop set, using real Montessori logic, child psychology, and entertaining insights to help you choose while keeping you hooked from start to finish. What are you actually buying? The blue and pink pretend spray mop sets are identical when it comes to structure, materials, durability, and the cleaning accessories included. What you get in both versions is a child-sized mop that feels realistic without being heavy, a simple spray mechanism toddlers instantly understand, washable microfiber pads, and a small scraper tool that looks exactly like the grown-up version. Kids instantly connect to it because they've seen adults use similar tools, and toddlers love anything that gives them the feeling of being big. Montessori emphasizes real-life imitation because children between ages 2 and 5 develop independence by copying daily tasks. That's why tools like pretend mops, brooms, dishwashing playsets, toy irons, and dressing frames work so well. Kids want to do the things they watch adults do, and a pretend mop is one of the most irresistible ways to enter that world. This mop set isn't a toy in the child's mind. It feels like a responsibility and a privilege. To them, it is a badge of honor. This is why the moment you hand a toddler this mop, the entire house becomes a cleaning mission zone. Here's another hook to keep you rolling. Toddlers don't care about your interior design style, but hand them this mop once, and suddenly your floor becomes a clean until shiny red carpet straight out of an award show. Which color sparks what? The real psychology behind blue and pink. Both versions work identically, but children connect emotionally with colors before anything else. Their brains respond quickly to visuals, and color triggers the tone of the kind of play they begin. The blue mop set tends to attract toddlers who naturally lean toward calmer, structured play. Blue gives a quiet, thoughtful feeling, which is why many kids who pick the blue version often begin cleaning like they're on a serious mission, checking each corner as if they were conducting a home inspection. Meanwhile, the pink mop set carries a warm, expressive energy that encourages imaginative, dramatic, and more animated play. Pink brings excitement. Toddlers who choose the pink mop often dance, sing, narrate, and add personality to the cleaning routine. They may clean the floor, the sofa, the wall, and even the family pet if you don't stop them in time. Here's the fun part that surprises many parents. The choice of color has absolutely nothing to do with gender. Boys often pick the pink mop because it feels lively and fun. Girls often choose the blue mop because it feels bold and cool. Toddlers pick what matches their personality, not what society assigns. Toddlers don't think in stereotypes. They think in vibes. Here's another hook for you. Kids don't pick a toy to impress anyone. They pick whatever sparks joy in the small, chaotic universe they rule. And they rule it with a mop. Why pretend cleaning works so well for ages 2 to 5. The reason toddlers love this toy goes much deeper than "it sprays water" or "it looks like a real mop." Montessori education teaches that children in this age range are naturally drawn to practical life activities. Pretend cleaning satisfies their need for purpose, movement, imitation, and repetition. When a toddler pushes a mop, they're not just copying adults. They're learning hand-eye coordination, balance, body awareness, and sequencing skills. They're understanding cause and effect. They're even building muscle memory for future real-life skills, which makes every swipe more meaningful than it looks. This type of play also strengthens their ability to follow simple routines, something that becomes valuable as they grow into more structured environments like preschool. It gently prepares them for real responsibilities without any pressure or frustration. Children at this age crave independence more than anything else. This is why they often fight for the remote, insist on feeding themselves, refuse help when dressing, and attempt to carry things heavier than their entire body weight. A cleaning toy like this mop set supports that independence safely and productively. Instead of making a mess, they feel like they're contributing to the home environment. This sense of "I can do it too" boosts confidence and builds emotional resilience, which are both major pillars of Montessori learning. And here's your hook. Toddlers don't want perfection. They want participation. Hand them this mop, and suddenly they're part of the team, the most enthusiastic member you'll ever recruit. How toddlers react differently to blue versus pink in real play. Parent observations offer the most honest insight into the differences between blue and pink mop users. Children who pick the blue set often fall into a calm, repetitive cleaning pattern. They might clean the same spot 10 times, slow and steady, almost like they're checking their work. Blue seems to activate a focused style of play. Kids using the blue mop lean into a practical mode, working on the floor like tiny professionals. Many parents notice that blue mop kids seem more absorbed in the task, treating cleaning like a mission instead of a game, which naturally supports longer stretches of peaceful play. Children who pick the pink mop behave differently. Their cleaning style becomes expressive and full of energy. They often talk about what they're cleaning, perform while wiping, sing, jump, and occasionally pretend to host a cleaning show. Pink seems to unlock creativity and external expression. Toddlers go from "I am cleaning" to "watch me clean like a superstar." Pink play often includes storytelling, imaginary scenarios, and playful drama, which helps build communication skills and emotional expression without any pressure. Hook time: give a toddler a snack and they'll eat for 5 minutes. Give a toddler a mop and suddenly you have a dedicated employee who needs no salary, no breaks, and definitely no supervision, or so they think. Check out the pretend spray mop set here. Choosing the right mop for your toddler's personality. So how do you decide between blue and pink? Forget trying to guess what boys should pick or girls should pick. Instead, look at your child's personality. If your toddler enjoys calm play, enjoys fixing things, or naturally leans toward orderly tasks, the blue version is a smooth fit. If your toddler loves bright colors, dramatic pretend play, or expresses themselves loudly and joyfully, the pink version fits their style beautifully. Some toddlers even surprise their parents by choosing the opposite of what adults expect, simply because the color sparks their curiosity at that moment. Kids follow emotional instinct, not social labels, and that instinct is often the most reliable guide. The beauty here is that neither choice is wrong. Both colors offer the same level of developmental benefits. The only difference is emotional connection, and toddlers learn best when they feel personally connected to their tools. Their play becomes more meaningful, more enjoyable, and more natural. When a child truly loves the tool they're using, their creativity and attention grow automatically. Hook moment: adults choose tools with logic. Toddlers choose tools with passion. And passion always wins in the world of pretend cleaning. In the end, both the blue and pink pretend spray mop sets offer the same quality and Montessori learning benefits, with the only difference being the color your toddler feels connected to: blue for calm focus and pink for expressive energy. If you want a realistic, engaging toy that builds skills, confidence, and independence for ages 2 to 5, this mop set is one of the best choices. Grab the pretend spray mop set here before it sells out. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Montessori toy reviews, and drop a comment telling us whether your toddler would pick the blue or the pink mop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.